Today, in this video, I will guide you through the process of Leonardo AI, demonstrating each feature and showing you how to easily generate captivating images. And also, I will tell you how you can be irreplaceable in your job that AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recessive wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2 hours AI tool workshop in which we teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Now, coming back to the topic. Leonardo AI is an online platform with the ability to create high quality images from text. It's free to use and provide a generous daily allocations of 150 tokens, unlike Midjourney, which charges a monthly fee of $10. To get started, visit Leonardo AI's website, click on Start using Leonardo, click Yes, I am whitelisted, and log in with your Google account. You will land onto the homepage of Leonardo AI where you can explore features, model at the top, and choose one that fits your preferences. Let's say you opt for the 3D animation style model for crafting three-dimensional cinematic scenes with vibrant colors. Alternatively, if you prefer lifelike images, the absolute reality model is available. Your choice should align with your specific requirements. If you are unsure about a model's competence, click on it to see examples created using that model. This will give you an idea of the type of images you can create. To start generating images using a particular model, click on the Generate with this model button. But I'll show you another way to do it later. Below that, you will find a community feed where you can view images created by fellow users. If you want to know the process behind a specific image, click on it to see the prompts used, including any negative prompts. You will also see the sampler, base models, and fine-tuned models employed, allowing you to create the exact image. Moving forward, there's the community feed section, which provides a closer look at the community models showcased on the homepage. Additionally, you will find your personal feed where the images you have created are stored. In the segment on training and data sets, we'll explore more advanced concepts, but we'll dive deeper into this in a later section. Now, this part is dedicated to fine tuned models. In this category, you will encounter platform models developed by Leonardo AI and community models crafted by other individuals. Under the Your Model subsection, you will find the models you have personally trained using the training and dataset feature. To create your own image, click on AI image generation. You will find a text field for your prompt, and below that you can select a model. If you want different models, click select custom model. Choose your model, click on it, and start generating with it. You can also include a negative prompt to specify elements you don't want in your image. As you scroll down, you will find tabs for both image generation and prompt generation, helping you develop more complex ideas from a simple starting point. For example, if you type desert and then click ID8, the tool generates a variety of complex concepts based on your prompts. You can choose the number of images you want. Let's go with 4 for more options. There's also the photoreal option for hyper realistic photos and lifelike portraits, but it requires enabling alchemy. Below that, you have Prompt Magic version 2 and version 3, which is in beta testing right now. This feature ensures better prompt influence. You can also adjust high contrast and prompt magic strength. The same concept applies to alchemy. It enhances image quality. Scrolling down, you will find image resolution adjustments where you can fine tune the dimensions of your image for the best result. Leonardo recommends a 1024 by 1024 pixel size and you can select different shapes. You can choose a value around 7 or 8 for the guidance scale, which adjusts how closely the generated image matches your prompt. Below that, there is the image to image option allowing you to upload an image as a reference for generating your desired image. Leonardo offers a user-friendly dashboard, making it simpler than other stable diffusion-based image generation tools. Now let's go back using the arrow button to the user tool sections. Now let's shift our focus to AI Canvas. In this feature, you can take an existing image and enlarge it. The primary concept here is to position a box with half of it extending beyond the image's boundaries while the other half stays within. This provides a reference for Leonardo to understand your intentions. Below this setup, provide a description of what components you want to add beyond the current image dimensions. Essentially, you are expanding the visual scope of the image. As mentioned earlier, you can generate 4 images each time, giving you different choices. Select the one that aligns with your creative vision and proceed to address the remaining corners of the image. Returning to the user tools section, we have texture generation. This is a highly advanced subject involving crafting three-dimensional models. In conclusion, I'll cover training and datasets as well as texture generation in separate videos. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.